Hello students, I am Prabdeep Singh, your political science teacher, and today we will do some of the very important questions from chapter rights. These questions are important for all the exams of the political science according to the syllabus. If you have this topic in your syllabus, then these questions are important. Firstly, students, I want to clear one thing. I am not talking about the fundamental rights. I am not talking about then one specific kind of right. Here we are talking about the common one, rights. What are rights? Rights are entitlement that we as a citizen, individuals and a human being can enjoy. These rights are recognized by the society as legitimate claim. In short, these rights are recognized by the society means accepted by the society already. According to the society, in some of the society they are accepted. In foreign countries, like these rights are not accepted by Indian society, so that's not a right for us. If I talk about the second question, I hope this first question is clear to you. Rights are the entitlement and that we as a citizen, individual or human being can enjoy. Means these are the things which are society given to us and the society recognize these rights. According to society, these rights are good. That's why the society given to us. But it is given by the particular government. Second question, what is the history of right? Students, if I talk about the rights, the history of right in 17th and 18th century, thinkers have said that rights are derived from God or given by the nature. Rights are derived from nature. It means that rights are not given by any ruler or society, rather than we are born with them. Because we are born in the world, in the on earth, that's why by nature these rights given to us. So these rights cannot be taken away from us. If I talk about the natural rights, the three natural rights we have: right to life, right to liberty and right to property. This is very important question for exam point of view. These rights are called basic rights. All the natural rights are called basic rights because all other rights are said to be derived from these rights, like fundamental rights, legal rights. Clear? Like if I talk about no one can do suicide, this is a part of right to life. Clear? Like this way. These rights, natural rights theory oppose the arbitrary power of the state in the past and safeguard our individual freedom. According to them, we cannot depend on nature, that's why we cannot follow these rights. But now the term human rights are being used rather than natural rights. That's why we all have human rights. This is because the idea that rights are derived from God or from the nature is unacceptable today. Rights are seen increasingly as guarantee that human beings themselves seek to lead a minimum good life. Clear? Firstly, the natural rights, then we converted that rights to the human rights. Now all the rights which we have with the name human rights, these are the basic rights. Means every country derive the other rights from these basic rights. Clear? Okay. The next question, this is also very important question in point of exam point of view. What are the kinds of rights? First one, political rights. It gives right to equality, right to participate in the political process. Means the rights which are related with the political system. It includes right to vote, right to elect representatives, right to contest elections, right to form political party. Students, political rights are supplemented by the civil liberties, and civil liberties like right to free and fair trial, right to express one's view freely, right to protest and dissent. Means the liberty which are related with the citizens. Civil liberty and political rights form the basis of the democratic system. You can see easily the many people protest against the government with these rights. Clear? These are the basic. These rights provide the basic structure of the democratic system. Right to vote, right to protest, all these rights. Second main kind of these rights, economic rights. Political rights can be exercised when our basic needs like food, clothing, shelter, adequate wages are recognized. That's why the government of the country or the system which establish the human rights provide these economic rights, right, like right to equal wage, such kind of rights which help us to do our life in a proper way, and these rights help us to provide all the basic necessities of life. Clear, students? The next third kind of right is cultural right, because every person has their own culture, like a group of persons have their own culture. Like in India is a diverse country, different kind of people belonging to different religion, different caste, the people speaking different languages, they have their own culture. That's why the system who established the human rights provide these rights to the people, cultural rights. Nowadays groups are even asking for cultural rights. For example, right to educated in their own mother tongue, right to establish educational institution for teaching one's language, and these are necessary for leading a good life, because in a democratic system all the persons have their own, you can say that every person want that my culture should be at this level. Clear? All the person want to celebrate their own festivals, so these rights are very important in that place, I think, according to me. Okay, next question, very important question. What are human rights? Human rights are given to us because we deserve rights, as we all are human beings, whether a person belong to any of the country or not, but these human rights they have. It means all persons are equal and no one is born to serve others, like in the previous old times. This concept, it means that all persons are equal and no one is born to serve others. This concept helps to remove the inequalities. Students, human rights help us to remove the inequalities in the society. Human rights have been expanded as we are include right to protect our environment. You can imagine the scope of these rights. These rights protect us from all the sides, not from the only from our enemy, or the you can say that from the government, from the natural things also. Right to protect our environment, this is also our also the part of human rights. Thank you, students. In case of any query you feel that where you want to discuss anything, you can send message to me on my number. Thank you.